99% of the problems in your life will get solved if you understand this one concept. Your thoughts are like passing clouds in the sky. You are not your thoughts. You are the sky. Whenever your thoughts come in, instead of engaging with them, instead of judging them, instead of trying to control them, if you let them pass through, you will see that the sky, which is the true self within you, is always in peace. The thoughts are the ones that are bringing in the emotions with them. The thoughts are the clouds. Some are heavy, some are light, some are small puffs of cloud, some are bigger ones, some flow easily with the wind, some stay there. All kinds of clouds, right? So similarly, thoughts are all kinds of emotions. Sometimes anger, sometimes resentment, sadness, fear, happiness, joy, ecstasy. All of these are coming through your thoughts, and like clouds, they are all different. If you identify too much with the clouds, so being the sky, if you're trying to change the clouds or trying to make the clouds behave as the sky wants them to behave, will that happen? It won't happen, and the sky will lose its whole charm, its whole calmness, peace, its beauty, right? The sky needs to remain as it is and let the clouds come and go, changing the colors in the sky while not changing the sky itself. So if you can understand this concept and let your thoughts come and go without engaging with them, without identifying with them, without trying to think that the thought is you. The thought is not you. You are not your mind nor the body. So the thoughts in your mind is not you. Who are you? You are the one witnessing those thoughts. You are the one who is aware of those thoughts. You are the one who is observing those thoughts. If you become the thought, or if you identify too much with the thought, that's how it becomes easy for the thought to mold you, to make you angry, to make you fearful, to make you extra joyous or fearful or whatever. But if you remain as the sky, the true self that you are, you will see that nothing will bother you. If you just remember that those thoughts, those emotions, everything that is happening will not stop. It will keep coming and going, and it will keep changing, trying to change the color of you. And it's okay to feel the emotions, to change with the thoughts, but internally, if you can just remember that you are merely the observer, the witness of those thoughts, those emotions that keep racing through your mind throughout the day, you will find that the peace and the calm never leaves you. It always remains deep within you, no matter what has happened to you during the day or during the course of your life. Okay. Another way to look at who you truly are is you are the bed of the ocean. The water in the ocean is your mind, and the ripples or the waves or the tides on the ocean are your thoughts. The ocean bed doesn't try to control the tides or the waves, right? The waves come up and they come down, they go up and they go down. Sometimes the water of the ocean is still, sometimes it's too wavy, too disturbed, right? So the mind similarly is sometimes very still, very clear, and sometimes it's very wavy, very disturbed. But only when the water is completely still is when the ocean bed can be seen through, right? And even if it's not still, even if it's disturbed, the ocean bed is never disturbed, right? The ocean bed remains as it is. So think of yourself as the bed of the ocean, not the water, not the waves in the water. You are not the mind, not your thoughts. You are the bed of the ocean. If this example helps you understand it better. So the ocean bed is seeing whatever is happening, but it's not trying to control anything. And it's just lying there down. And the calm of the ocean bed is eternal. It cannot be taken away from it. Similarly, the vastness and the peace and the calm of the sky is forever. It's eternal. It cannot be taken away by the clouds. And so your true nature is always in peace. Your true self is always in peace. If you just remember that the ripples or the clouds or whatever you may want to call it, the thoughts in your mind are just passing chemical reactions. They are not real. Whatever stories they are telling you are not real, and they cannot control the peace and calm that you have within. I hope this concept is clear to you. If not, please let me know your questions. I'll try answer them all. Thank you.